We're gonna be putting RBC Manifold in the EP3. We took out the stock manifold, which is in the back. Really can't see it, but fuck that shit. We got RBC Manifold. We got a Ktuned throttle body with a skunk. Ktuned spacer, and we're gonna put the Ktuned throttle body on Pro Series.
Oh, hold on. We'll switch to the front camera, and I'll show you. Go ahead.
All right, so we gotta install this. If you have an EP3, highly recommend moving this frame because you're not gonna be able to get out the manifold, side manifold, unless it's movable. It gives you a lot more space. And I just got tape covering the intake side of it, so nothing gets inside.
We're gonna be putting the RBC manifold, this Ktuned throttle body, and are we putting the fuel rail today or another?
Yeah, we'll probably most likely we'll put the Ktuned throttle body. Yeah, why you in my hand like that?
My fault.
It's all powder coated, you know. I just didn't like the look. It still says Ktuned if you angle it though. I don't know.
Nah, you really can't see it.
Or like, could you like? No.
Nah,
not yet. Like it still says Ktuned. You just gotta look at it, but I really don't care. I just going with the look for my car one.
Show them the manifold, how it looks in the light.
Oh, and the
the valve cover. Oh, no, yeah, we didn't show them that. I forgot about that.
The valve cover too.
Here, go ahead.
All powder coated.
We'll put like the little at here if I can figure out how to.
Yeah, because we're not professional.
For who powder coated, and
yeah,
I'll put his Instagram if you want to follow for his EP3.
It's amazing. He has amazing work, yo. I highly recommend going on. For the bolts, I'm not using stock bolts. I went with Downstar. Shout out to Downstar. You know, this is just a regular bolt. I mean, it looks pretty nice, better than most bolts. $42. I mean, it ain't that bad, but it's pretty expensive.
He got money.
So, you know, you just slide it in. Sits like that.
Hold on. Go ahead, show him.
You know, sits like that. Gives you like 10 horsepower, so highly recommend it. Let's figure out what side.
Yeah, and again, if we didn't say it or something, it is a 2003, right?
Yeah.
2003 Honda Civic Si, or the EP3. The worst K20.
Worst K20, but we're gonna make it the best K20.
All right, so we'll just start it up or something. I'll just get like a little tripod or something.
Is that totally different?
All right, so we haven't seen Brian in forever, so his fat ass came over with the diesel truck.
Big facts. That was yeah. If you drive the diesel, you've got money.
All right, so that's staying. He's racist.
All right, so we got the manifold installed. You know what I'm talking about. We got the Downstar dress so bolts. You ain't buying these unless you got money. But I don't know how I got them because I got fake sponsors. Next, we got to do fuel rail, fuel injectors, throttle body.
Just do the valve cover. Do the valve cover.
I don't have gaskets, though.
All those still open.
That's disappointing.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
they close at.
You want to get the autos on? Let's call them up and see.
All right, we gonna call up. Let's see, go with some AutoZone gaskets. I know.
Take my truck.
I know people gonna comment. You should have went OEM. OEM for the win. OEM's the best. Watching that shit blow up.
Well, fuck them niggas. I ain't got money.
Wow, what you want to go with?
All right, so I guess we'll be right back when we decide what we're doing.
Shh. Wait, keep it wrong. Keep it wrong. Get in the car, sorry. We going in your car, my car, your car. My really? My car. We're going my car. Hurry up, let's go. We're working my watch.
Yeah, she's slow. I ain't get that.
A little more.
Yeah, I'm definitely gapped this. Oh, that turbo.
Man, y'all can't believe my nigga got a turbo before me, yo. It's straight, my shit's still faster on motor.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna put some work into it.
There's AutoZone right there.
We let. Come on, hurry up. Bro.
We made it with only 10 minutes left before they close.
Y'all found the turbo manifold too for my shit, so. Oh, I secured these. Oh, yeah, God, get out.
The seat don't get
The door don't open.
This nigga don't give
This
no
nigga
fuck.
be an extra, yo.
Unlock it. Alright, so we just came back from AutoZone. That porqueria shit. And Scotty. Can I flip it to the front?
I know your eyes burning right there next to that shit.
I know, nigga.
Alright, hold on. Go.
So we got tensioner, belt, thingamajig. It don't look like the right size. She said it was the right size though. We got that.
Throw that shit over here.
We got spark plugs, you know, NGK, because we ain't no bro niggas. We got gasket, valve gasket, spark plug gasket, you know we got it. And you know you gotta get the little lubrication for the spark plug, you know, because
You never have enough lubrication.
never have enough lube, you know what I'm saying?
Always anti-seize your boat.
This shit.
Always anti-seize your boats because
Always.
Only when
You
you
know-
live in New England.
You know, only in New England. You know how I told you gotta take that bolt off for the frame, take out the frame? Well, I cracked the one that was like down there that was rusted, so.
If it was an
Hopefully.
anti-seize, like Mr. Guerrero said.
Nah, bro, that boat just never been out, so. I gotta take it short.
Alright, so I'm about to just start from another timeline or something. I'll come back.
Alright, we're gonna start a throttle body now, cause
What brand?
it's going to, baby, cause
Show
you
him
know,
the skunk too. Show 'em.
we got money, you know what I'm saying? No, we don't, we're broke.
The skunk too.
I only have 2 bolts right now. I think I have more. Let me check, cause I don't remember if I have the bolts for this shit.
Nigga almost died, bro.
I caught it on fire.
That's
This
crazy.
nigga almost caught on fire. Look, he about.
Yeah, he's standing right next to it again, yo.
Nigga, my leg hurt. I think I burnt myself.
This nigga's got your headlight about to burn.
Yo, at least you know how it works. What? The heater.
Oh, no.
I think these are some bolts. Looks about right.
It fit.
Oh, fuck, it's too big. Let's see what we could do. Let's see.
Alright, well, so we'll come back when we're getting it on. Yeah.
Fucking
Wait, I mean,
unprepared
this
piece of
is-
shit.
So we'll be back.
I think they work. I think they. All right, so what I had to do, right? As gasket and shit, right? So
That's custom made.
what I had, no, I don't know why I should trim it down. Look, all right. So if you come in right here, there's like this little like bracket shit that keeps the wiring in. I had to just pull it up a little bit so it can give me more room so the wires can come up, so I could actually angle and fit the throttle body right because it wasn't sitting right before. It was like down here, and this bolt has to match up right there. So you know, you get the idea. You know,
So we'll come back when it's fully bolted on.
nigga, stupid.
Alright, so we got the manifold on, the fuel rail, the throttle body. We had to find a plug for this. Oh, we got the cable back on. And this will be. We gotta still put the valve cover back on. I was about to say manifold. Alright, so Scotty's taking apart the old gaskets from the the valve cover. Look at Brian. I heard corrected me. But yeah, we're changing everything on that. So swap it over onto here.
The young teaching the old.
Scotty's gonna do the spark plugs too.
I put on
About-
fire earlier.
Yeah, that thing right here that's been keeping us warm. Caught him a little burnt. Let's see if we can see. Hold on. Oh yeah, you can tell a little bit. But yeah, we'll come back when we start the valve cover.
Just in case y'all don't know how to take off a valve cover on the K series, you should know this shit.
If you don't, you
What?
fucking dumb.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't ever forget the back ones. I forgot it one time. Tried to pry the shit off, and I remember it back. After that, it should just pop up. It might be a little bit hard if you never taken it off. Use a little flathead or pry tool. Should pop up. Or this gasket. I don't want to use this. These are fucked.
That was just a spear one.
That's just a spare one, you know, because we got money like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you said that like 20 times.
I put whole new gaskets on this one. Spark plug gasket and the actual valve gasket. Make sure you know we don't get.
And we did rinse it.
We rinse
to
it out
try
too
and get
because
as
you know.
much off, but this is, I guess, it's a
know,
common issue either way with powder coating either way on
Yeah.
the valve cover.
And I ain't trying to start sanding and all that, and we ain't got time for that. We trying to build a race car here. No race car.
Slow. You can't put that in the video.
Yeah, I am. I'm putting.
Alright, yo. Just in case you don't know, if you go out of zone and buy it, it does come with all brand new gaskets for the screws and the little metal caps. So if you didn't know that, like me, I already went ahead and painted the old ones. So next time you know. Now I know. You know.
I can use those.
You can buy them for $5.
Wow. That's my nigga, yo. Get outta here, yo.
That's a setup, man. He
All right.
was about to give them to me for free.
Zoom in on these right here. You see these? Those are the ones I got painted already. You know what I'm saying?
Go ahead. Oh, yeah, you can see the sparkles on.
Farty, it's gonna stink.
That's disgusting. This one's fucked up in the paint. Just like
Yeah, I know, but that's the one that go in the back where nobody gonna see. All right, yo. So we kind of skipped ahead and just put everything back together because we kind of in a rush. You know, late. We got work. Quick view of how we did the intake. I basically bought a new fitting. Cut an old pipe I had from an intake, and it basically wraps around down and sticks out through the front where the rear wheel comes out. DIY as fuck, you know. Here, let me give you some lighting on that so you can see what it looks like down there. Okay, if it fits, it works.
Yeah, we're just starting the car right now.
We primed it. It didn't have any leaks. We forgot to record that, but we're actually gonna go for the first start right now. Everything's plugged in. We just got a shirt here to make sure if anything leaks, you know, get on the shirt. And, let's go for the first turn on. Yo, you yell and tell me to shut it off if anything, all right?
All right. Leave it on.
Why was it idling like that?
I know why. Go ahead, put it.
Beast has awoken.
That was the first start
First start in like a month and a half.
with
Yeah.
the RBC
RBC manifold,
Manifold, powder coated,
powder coated,
fuel rail, powder coated,
Ktuned,
valve cover, powder coated,
OEM.
DIY intake.
Alright. This is AEM intake though, so I mean it's half DI. The other pipe that
It's
I used,
cheap
eBay. I got a skunk tooth throttle body, Ktuned throttle body spacer,
Adapter. It's adapter.
Adapter, whatever. I gotta figure out why it's idling like that.
It's this plug. It's pulling in.
But I gotta ask Bevo because his shit never did that.
It's the
I
plug.
did it.
It's the plug. You can feel it.
Alright, so we gotta plug that shit. We gotta still change the spark plugs in the belt because I haven't driven in a while. I haven't done this belt either. Probably I feel like I got a lot of play, so I want to definitely change that. But I mean, we fucking did
we
it.
got it to fit right here. Also, a little cutting.
Yeah, that's what we had to do.
That you already saw, but
That's just to get the better fitment.
it's almost done. So we'll probably this is day 2. So we'll probably skip to another day when we get the car fully all the way.
Yo, check this out though, real quick DUI. Nowhere.
Yeah, that ain't rocking. But yeah, we'll just come back to the next part we get to, or whatever part with the car, and we'll go over it again.
We still gotta put coolant too because we flushed it. I'll probably wax it down the powder coat because I'm getting ready for April 14 Yukon car meet. If this video comes out before that and y'all see me, say what up. Hopefully I see a subscriber, But yeah.
We'll come back whenever we get to the next part. See you.